Go to your nearest gas station and locate the air pump. Now look on the door frame right here for a sticker that shows you the pressure for the tires. And right here is this one, and you can see the pressure there. It says cold and pressure 34 on the front and 36 on the back. You can see rear 36 psi. So if it's not on the door frame, look under the fuel cap door. Some cars will have the tire pressure printed right on the back of the tire of the fuel tank door. If you see here, you can see normal load 30 psi and 34 psi for, that's the front over here, and then right here is the back, so 34 to 36. So we're gonna put these front and back at about 35 psi.